Boom! So welcome to crispy air fried tofu, 2 ways. We're identical twins born out in competition. We're each gonna make our favorite, bestest, most incredible tofu. Lucy's gonna come in and pick the winner. And the winner is gonna get this instant air fryer. I particularly wanna win it because it uses 95% less oil and it uses 60% less energy. Nice. I love the fact that it has a dual sink on it, so you can start it at 2 different sides of it at different times and it finishes together. Anyway, here we go. Let the games commence. Woo! Okay, thing about tofu is it's quite bland in its nature. It's got a wonderful texture, it's high in protein, and it's cooked well. You've got to infuse it with tons of flavor. I'm going for a sweet chili barbecued tofu, and I'm gonna fry it twice, air fry it twice. So it's gonna have a double fry to compound the flavor. Okay, first up, I've got a bowl. I'm gonna start with vegan mayo. It's gonna add fat to it. It's also gonna add flavor as well. I'm going in with 3 tablespoons. Okay, into that I've got my spices. I've got a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a third of chili powder, a third of black pepper, a third of garlic powder, a third of salt, and 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast. If you don't have nutritional yeast, just leave it out, it's not essential. But it will add more flavor. And then on top of that now, if you thought that was enough, it's gonna get even more incredible.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it is. I'm gonna go in with like half a tablespoon of tamari. No way!
That was the most generous half a tablespoon I've ever seen.
Well, go away to that. This is a battle royale. It's a taste sensation, folks. Okay, here we go.
Yeah, down to size. Size really does matter with tofu.
If you're trying to infuse a block this size, the flavor has to penetrate into the middle if you really want to infuse every bite. So you're better off chopping into smaller to give more surface area per volume of tofu. Okay, so all I'm gonna do next is I've got some breadcrumbs here and I'm gonna these are gonna add a bit of crunch and crisp to it. So in we go with our tofu into our breadcrumbs. This is gonna make sure that it crisps up. The smell is just sensational, folks.
Both of them so evenly. I love your attention to detail. You're so good with a spoon, David.
How do you get a trimmer on the phone?
Okay, David Flynn has made his masterpiece.
Masterpiece!
C'est délicieux.
Je suis prêt!
Et je vais faire. I'm actually going to make something slightly, not really French.
French.
Yeah, exactly. I'm going to do a teriyaki.
Tofu's very French.
A sticky teriyaki. Okay. That's David Flynn's delicious work of art. It looks magnificent. Congratulations, David.
Thank
I'm
you.
going to kick your ass now.
You're
I'm going to do a
ass.
sticky teriyaki tofu. I'm going to chop it into thin little.
Boo! Boo!
Okay, for our dressing, aka marinade, I have 3 tablespoons of tamari, aka soya sauce. I have 2 tablespoons of maple syrup.
Oh, nice.
I have a little bit of apple cider vinegar or vinegar of choice, half a teaspoon of garlic, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, and a little bit of chili. So I've chopped mine thin so that the sauce can really permeate.
Look at the amount of flavour in mine and look at yours. Yours just looks like bland tofu.
Okay, mine is just a base flavour. You'll see, mine is just going to end up magnificent in the end.
No way.
Okay, so each of us, the beautiful thing about this instant air fryer versus own Vortex is that it's got 2 drawers in it. David's side, Stephen's side. Perfect for competition.
Winning side over here, losing side over there. Boo.
Okay, in they go. We set our time.
I'm feeling confident, folks. I'm feeling confident.
Okay, top tip while the tofu's in the oven, this is gonna knock Dave out of the park. Okay, take a little saucepan. Pop it on a medium flame. Take the remaining bit of our teriyaki sauce.
Ooh.
This is where it gets, we're gonna make a little bit of a glaze, folks. This is exciting.
Still gonna lose.
I've got 2 tablespoons of some coconut blossom sugar. You could use brown sugar if you don't have it, or you could use maple syrup if you prefer. Finally, I have 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This is gonna help create a thick...
Would you not have saved that?
I'm gonna whisk it. Okay, look at that, look how thick and glazed that comes. This
Looks like molasses.
Yeah, this is
You're gonna
more
make the tofu from hell.
that is epic. Okay, tofu is ready.
Jeez,
okay,
mine looks
time to
crispy.
dress ours. I'm gonna put mine into, I'm gonna take our glaze.
So if your hands aren't asbestos-y like Steve, very heat insensitive, use a tool.
Okay, back in it goes.
Okay, Steve, you're not the only man who can glaze. I'm going practical here. I'm going sweet chili sauce. So just a good bang of that. Okay, I'm going in with a tiny bit of tamari, just to kind of enhance the flavor slightly. And I'm going in with a tiny little bit of sweetener, a tiny little bit of maple syrup. So I'm just going to put half into the bowl. I'm going to pop my tofu in and then put the rest of the glaze on top. Slightly nervous, slightly apprehensive. Okay, and here we go. It's all back into the air fryer. Okay, folks, we're ready to go.
A really cool feature in this one is sync finish. So what we can do is we're going to cook for different times, but they're going to finish at the same time. I used to think that this was just a simple alarm clock. It's actually a really cool feature.
Ladies and gentlemen, meet the great Lucy Joseph.
Hello.
Charming, I'll get you nowhere. So this is the judge, this is the referee. What are you looking for today, Luce?
Even coat,
Okay.
crisp, crunch,
Ooh.
and then the best flavour.
Excellent. Lucy. Okay. Oh my God, it's turned out even better than I thought. So see the way they kind of look almost like they're deep fried, but they are not. They are air fried, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, Lucy Joseph, do you want a scorecard or anything? I was thinking that's a huge bit, and they're just out of the oven.
That is lovely.
And?
Very sticky.
Oh, yeah. Okay, do you want a different
May I try
fork?
this one?
Absolutely. Oh, that's amazing.
Can I choose?
Yeah, pick your winner. Wait, we're gonna give it a drum roll.
Oh
The winner! Yeah! What was the reason? Hard luck, Stevie. Hard luck. Hard luck. So smoky barbecue tofu is the winner.
Spicier.
Yeah.
Ah, she likes spice. Well, if you like sticky, mine's sticky.
Yeah.
But there you have it, two delicious crispy tofu recipes. They're both really fantastic, both done in the instant air fryer. Great way of replacing the oven, really, really good. So many different functions. We use the dual setting here. And if you want to learn more, the recipe's down below and linked to the air fryers.
And a deal is a deal, and as bad as this feels, congratulations, Mr. Flynn. Fair game. Well
Tough luck, chump. Tough luck, my son.
Boo!